Hey guys, it's SammyCheez here, back with another video. Now in today's video, I will be showing you how to animate thumbnails. If you're coming here from the 2.0 method, the 2.0 method does not work anymore. So this is the working 3.0 method. First thing you want to do is go to the link in the description, and this is what the page will open up. So this is how you get an animated thumbnail. What you want to do is, this works with Chrome, Firefox, Opera, but it doesn't work with Edge, Microsoft Edge. All you want to do is this animate thumbnail set, click it, drag it onto your bookmarks bar, just like that, and that should pop up. Now, big shout out to World Languages for making this possible. But anyway, now you want to find the project that you want the thumbnail to be animated. For example, this one I've already done, but I'll show you how to do it again. You want to click on it, it's going to load up, and then all you want to do is press animated thumbnail, and this will pop up. Select an image or drag and drop anywhere on this page. So I'm just going to select an image, and as you can see, I have a rotating earth image. Press open, uploading file 100%, and it was successfully changed. Make sure to go back to your profile, and I'm going to go back to the project to see if it changed. There we go, guys. That is how you get animated thumbnails in Scratch 3.0. If you like this little tutorial, make sure to subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.